guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan lettuce wraps. So there's a million different ways that you can make lettuce wraps, but this just happens to be one of my top 3 favorite ways. I love lettuce wraps so much. They are so delicious and so packed full of flavor. I'm going to be showing you how to make the PF Chang's copycat veganized version of lettuce wraps. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is make our sauce. So we're going to start with 3 tablespoons of either soy sauce or tamari. We're going to put that into a mixing bowl, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix that up and set it aside. Now here's all of our ingredients, so if you want you can pause the screen to pull that up for a little bit longer, or there's a link below with the recipe. Now I've got the sauce, I've got 1 diced green onion, I've got 1 brick of extra firm tofu, I have 1 small can of diced water chestnuts. If they don't come diced, you can dice them up yourself. I've got 3.5 cups of Cremini mushrooms. And then here I have my ginger, my garlic, and either a hot chili or some hot chili flakes. I have pickled carrots for topping, and then I need 1 head of lettuce of choice. I used iceberg in this case, and some crispy noodles if you want to add a little bit of noodles to your mixture. So next we're going to crumble up the tofu into a bowl. So what you can do is you can either crumble this up by hand or you can use a masher on it. Now I prefer crumbling up by hand. I find it's faster and easier and I get the consistency I want a little bit faster, but whatever you prefer you can do. You want to really crumble it up nice and finely, just like this, so it's kind of like ground meat almost. Then we're going to get our 1 small container or 3.5 cups of our cremini mushrooms and cut them into tiny little bite-sized pieces. So I just start by cutting them like this and then cutting them that way and cutting them even smaller. So I'll show you guys the size that I'm cutting them into, because we want to get a little bit with every bite. So this is kind of the size and shape that you're going to want to cut your cremini mushrooms into. So I'm going to go ahead and cut all of those mushrooms into the same size, and I'm going to dump those in with the tofu. Now I'm going to get out a pan on medium heat and add in about 2 teaspoons of oil. I just used an olive oil in this case, just a neutral flavored oil. Then I'm going to dump in my tofu and my mushroom mixture. I'm going to cook that on medium heat for about 5 minutes. It doesn't take long to cook this. It doesn't take long for this to come together, which is another reason I love this meal. Then I'm going to add in my water chestnuts, my garlic, my ginger, and my chilies. So dump that in, mix that in together, and I'm going to keep cooking that on medium heat for about another 3 minutes. Now once I've cooked that up for about 3 minutes, I'm going to add in the sauce that I made earlier. And I just want to mix that all in so that it's evenly coated all over the mixture. Then I'm going to add in my green onions, mix that really well, cook it for about another minute. And then I'm going to add in my noodles. This is optional. You don't have to add the noodles in, but I find it adds a really nice little crunch, a really nice texture to this dish. So I'm going to add in my crispy noodles and just cook those according to the package instructions. Then I'm going to wash and dry my lettuce that I'm going to be using for the lettuce wraps. I'm going to add in my pickled carrots, which is a really nice touch to these lettuce wraps. Then I'm going to add my cooked mixture onto each one of these, just a nice little amount to fill the lettuce wrap, but don't overfill it so it's not falling apart everywhere. Then you can add all your toppings. So you can add green onions, you can add sesame seeds, you can add a little bit of sriracha on top, you can add some extra hoisin sauce. So I'm just adding some extra hoisin sauce on top because I've already made these quite spicy. And then we have our PF Chang's copycat vegan lettuce wraps, which are ready to serve. All right, so I'm going to do a taste test on one of these. I am so excited. These are so good. Now I had carrots flying out of my mouth, but they are so delicious. They are so healthy and they're super nutritious. I absolutely love these lettuce wraps. I hope you guys love them too. If you want to see more videos like this one, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.